Hi, my name is Steven, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to use Zoom on your computer. Please note that Zoom is available for both mobile and desktop users, but today we'll be focusing on the latter. If you'd like to learn more about how to use Zoom on your phone, please check out the link in the description below. So let's get started. First thing you'll need to do is download the Zoom app. Now there's a free version that's good for most scenarios. There's also a paid version that can hold up to 1,000 participants. The free one can have up to 100 people and it's very good for most uses. Go to zoom.us/download and click on the download button under Zoom Client for Meetings. Now once you do that, an installer should pop up and you can double click that and follow the instructions. Now mine's already downloaded, so I'm just going to open that up. And this is what your homepage will look like after you sign in to the application. You'll have 4 options: new meeting, you could join a meeting, you could schedule a meeting, or you could share your screen. Now I'm going to press new meeting and this is going to launch my webcam. A dialog will pop up that says join with computer audio, and you can press that. Now you have some options at the bottom. You could either mute yourself or you could stop your video. And if you stop your video, that's going to cut out the video, but it will not end the meeting and people still can hear you. Then at the bottom, you have this invite button, which will allow you to share your meeting ID number so that other people can join you. You can press that and you can share it by your contacts, through your phone, or through email. What I like to do, I just like to hit this copy URL button, and that's going to copy the web link. And you can send that to whoever you're trying to invite to your meeting. Now at the bottom, you'll also have this option that says Manage Participants. You'll see a list of all the people in your meeting, and you'll be able to mute people individually. If you're presenting by yourself and you don't want anyone to interrupt you, then you can mute all for the duration of your presentation by clicking on this button below. Now when you're done with your meeting, you can press End Meeting. And you'll have 2 options. You could end meeting for all, or you could leave meeting. Now, if you hit leave meeting, your meeting will still go on without you. If you press end meeting for all, then it's going to end the meeting for everyone that's in the room. Now, please note that people don't need a Zoom account to join your meeting. You only need to make an account if you plan on hosting the meeting. And thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Zoom or other Meeting Tomorrow services, please check out the links in the video description below. We specialize in producing both live and virtual events around the country, and we are here to help. Bye.